I'm going to share with you 5 ways to save money on your Wichita County property taxes, and we are starting right now. Hi y'all, Debbie Dobbins, real estate entrepreneur here in Wichita Falls, Texas. And on this channel, we talk about everything Wichita Falls, from lifestyle to real estate and everything in between. And if you want to learn more about Wichita Falls, subscribe to our channel, ring that bell, and you'll get notified every Monday when we upload a new video. So today we're talking about property tax exemptions in Wichita County. And we have 2 neighbors, Archer and Clay counties, and they're very similar. Actually, Texas is pretty much the same, but right now I'm specifically talking about Wichita County. And that includes Wichita Falls, Iowa Park, Burke-Burnett, and parts of Lakeside City. And it is that time of year that you want to file for your exemption so you don't miss out on saving some Benjamins. Before I get started, I want to make this legal disclaimer, putting on my legal disclaimer hat. I am not a tax attorney, nor do I play one on this channel. I am not a tax professional. I am not a CPA. I repeat, I cannot give you legal advice. And if you want to know any more about these various exemptions, please visit the Wichita County Tax Assessor's office. I'm going to put the link down below in the comments so that you can actually go online and make your application online. So, legal disclaimer over. All right, let's get on to it. Here are 5 different ways that you can reduce your Wichita County property taxes. And isn't that what it's all about? We want to lower those taxes. Number 1, the homestead exemption. The homeowner has to occupy the property as their legal primary residence. And it's applicable to anyone, regardless of their age. You must not claim an exemption on another residence as a homestead in or outside of Texas. So make sure you're not trying to skirt the system. It's applied to your school taxes only. So make sure you understand that it's not on your whole tax assessment. And does it save you a lot of money? Well, not a lot, but you know what? Every little bit helps. You may also claim this exemption if one or more of the title holders inherited the property. So everybody that lives in your property should be claiming a homestead exemption. Number 2, age 65 or older or disabled. So guess who gets 65? I got it last year. Awesome. For persons age 65 or older, or if you're disabled, you can receive an additional $10,000 of homestead exemption on those school taxes. Bonus, you get old, you get less tax. Once again, is it a ton of money? It's not a ton, but it is a good amount of money. And you know what? I would take it every day. And once again, it applies to your school taxes. Number 3 is the disabled veterans homestead exemption. This one is restricted to people with very specific types of service-related serious disability and requires proof either from the VA or, in certain cases, from a private physician. And they're for veterans, obviously, it's in the name. But the percentage of your disability determines your exemption. So if you're 100% disabled, you get 100% exemption. So just know that your percentage, say you're only 40% disabled, your exemption will be not linear to that. So you want to call the tax office. Number 4, solar and wind powered energy devices. Who knew, right? So this does not apply to the vast majority of people, I guarantee you. But if it does apply to you, if you have a solar or wind powered device on your property, it's going to be huge. So check it out for sure if you have that. And last but not least, number 5, charitable organizations and businesses have an exemption. Texas law allows for a number of exemptions for charitable organizations and businesses. So if you run a charitable organization or a business out of your property, definitely worth looking into. So there you have 5 ways to reduce your Wichita County property taxes. And I wonder, have you taken advantage of these, or can you think of any other ways to do it? I love comments, so leave a comment below about that. I'd love to hear about it. I'd love to hear about your experience with it. And I really, once again, want to thank you so much for watching our channel. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button below, leave a comment, or subscribe. I love it when you subscribe. I post new videos every Monday about all things real estate related in Wichita Falls and lifestyle and in between. This was another episode of Your Wichita Falls. And as I say always, y'all come back now, you hear? Bye.